Hello people, in this video let us look at these rings. You have few rings here that you should understand. This one is the constriction ring or the contraction ring or the Schroeder's ring. This will happen when there is abnormal uterine incoordinated uterine contraction. So again here what will happen, there is a ring formed here. This ring is between the upper segment and lower segment itself, but this ring will not move from this place. Okay, it will not move up or down. So this is the constriction ring. Again here you have to just do a cesarean section for the patient. Okay, now coming to the pathological one, here you can see pathological retraction ring. So here pathological retraction ring is happening in obstructed labor. This is the upper segment and this is the lower segment. The upper segment is contracting and pushing the baby out. Lower segment has nowhere to send this baby. So lower segment will start elongating and thinning, and finally this band, whichever band is there, it keeps on moving up. Okay, so this band that it is there, it keeps moving up. So this is the pathological contraction ring or pathological retraction ring or Bandl's ring. Okay, this is Bandl's ring. And here, why does it happen? Because of obstruction, like we told you. So this baby can die. Okay, so the mother also can have sepsis, etc. And there can be fetal anoxia, etc. Fetals also can die, and there can be rupture of uterus in the lower segment. Okay, so basically it's bad for mother and bad for fetus also. So mother will get exhausted, she can get sepsis, fetus can have anoxia and death, and there can be rupture of uterus. So all this is happening where? In obstructed labor. The pathological retraction ring, Bandl's ring, or tonic uterine contraction and retraction ring. Okay, so this is about the pathological one. Here also what you should do, you should rule out the rupture of the uterus, and you should take up the woman for cesarean section. Okay, and you should manage everything here. What and all you will give this mother, you will have to give her pain relief, and you should give her antibiotics so that she does not go into sepsis, ketoacidosis, dehydration you will have to manage, etc. Basically both of these you will have to do cesarean section. That much you understood, people. For both of these you have to do cesarean section. Where is the obstructed where is the obstructed happening? Obstructed labor, because of which this ring is forming here. Okay, obstructed labor, and the ring keeps moving up. Okay, this much you have understood. Right, so this is the difference between the constriction, contraction, Schroeder's ring and the Bandl's or pathological retraction ring or the tonic uterine contraction and retraction ring. This is the difference. Okay. Here also the baby can suffer, guys. Here also the baby and the mother can suffer, but it is later that the suffering happens. Okay. So maternal exhaustion is a late feature. Fetal anoxia happens late. The uterus will never rupture here. Rupture of the uterus will not occur here. Okay. The other things, problem to mother and fetus, can happen in a late stage. So the pathological one, everything happens early, right? And this is obstructed labor, and there can be rupture of uterus, and fetus can suffer, die. Mother also can suffer. Okay. So that's it, guys. You have understood the contraction ring, then you have understood the pathological constriction, contraction ring, pathological one or Bandl's ring. It's also called as a retraction ring. Okay, retraction ring means this one. Okay, bye bye.